It's me, Captain America, with a wooden sword, because it's all I can make up here. But it just started as a normal dirt block. I mean, rectangle. This is my 4th time recording now. I just made another video. I didn't think you saw it, but I almost died. So, if anybody is watching, it's live right now. So, here's the chicken pen, Ty's house. You may know him from my other previous video. Lost more health there. I'm gonna stop talking and eat this cake. Alright. I'm back. Eating more cake. As you can see, I'm almost regenerated. I just need one more bite. Alright, I'm ready. So, that's my other dog's house. Regulation. Go. Trying to get to. I'm gonna jump off this in a minute. As you can see, there's a creeper down there looking me in the eye, but it won't get me because I'm gonna bring some cake with me, just in case I'll need it to eat or anything else like that. You know what? I'm just gonna leave the cake here. So, we're gonna. The mission is a go. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. This is our McDonald's made out of wood, so train tracks that the creeper's on. But there's some food in here that I will get. And that's already open, so I'm gonna get cookies. This. And this. Big cookies. Delicious. Alright, I'm gonna go out and finish that. Alright, go. Chicken. That's a portal to the nether. There you go. So Ty is now going to be quiet because he can't do a video yet. As you can see, I'm going back to that hut. Right there. So as you can see, I'm losing hunger health quick. Alright. Yeah. Thank goodness I didn't die there. That would be a super bummer for you guys to see. But I've been doing the best with not dying in this. So I'm gonna drop down this tree. Try to finish. Finished today for you guys. Let's do this. Unexpected if the skeleton was in here. Why don't you say, Tom? So Ty, are you gonna help me with are you gonna, what are you doing?
I'm teleporting to you.
Okay. Ty's right there. As you can see, Ty, I'm finishing off. I'm trying to make our blended in. Oh, witch inside. Alright. Okay. We need a door. Ty, would you please get the door?
I don't have one. I just went hunting.
Oh, shoot.
I brought back some chickens, pig, and sheep. Oh, I guess that could be cow and pig.
Oh, pig is pork.
Also got some chicken eggs.
How are we gonna block ourselves in here? We'll block ourselves in here. Ty, get in here. Quick. Before I block us off. There. Yikes. You don't have any wood, Ty, because we're gonna need to get... We'll leave that open so it's light in here. Ty! I accidentally killed you! No! Get all your stuff. Here. Ty. Hey, Ty, can I have one of those sticks?
Yeah, okay.
I need to make one. I did?
No, you got them back for some reason.
No.
You get the chicken.
See you later.
If I